This is a brand new TikTok account that I started that is generating me thousands and some videos even hundreds of thousands of views, all using this insane piece of technology that has generated all of this for me, which has made me well over $400 and up to $1,000 a day in affiliate commissions. This can potentially be the future of short video content generation and creation. Enter one simple keyword such as best TikTok ideas, click on enter, and it will automatically type out and give you an entire article on the most viral TikTok ideas that you can create for your TikTok page. Copy this text and paste it into the second AI. It generates it into one simple, done for you step-by-step short video platform that you could go and paste on TikTok to generate views and affiliate commissions through the link in your bio. Short video platforms is one of the easiest ways in 2023 to monetize affiliate links, your YouTube channel, merchandise, and many other ways to get monetized on social media, because TikTok is the kind of platform that can get you 100,000 views overnight, like one or two of these videos did over here. This video has hit 407,000 views, and it was only my 10th post. This video hit 300,000 views, which has now brought a lot of traction and a lot of followers to my brand new TikTok page, which is generating me tons of affiliate commissions on a daily and a weekly basis. These two AI tools are going to generate you all of the text, which the second AI tool is going to turn that text into a done for you TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reddit video for you to post on any platform that you wish. There is no effort needed from your side, no editing required, no camera needed, no microphone needed, no coming up with content ideas, no editing, no spending hours on TikTok, hours and hours every single day coming up with ideas. These two AI programs, which are completely free and that I'm going to give to you in today's video, do all of the hard work for you in just a couple of clicks and in just a couple of minutes. Make sure to stick around because this is going to be a great banger to start off January in 2023 to help you make money online through AI generation. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, and on my channel I document various ways that I use online to make money online. If you want to get a notification from me to your phone every time I upload my latest way on how I make money online, make sure to go down below to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel and subscribe with the red notification button so that you don't miss a message. I've already got my exact same product that I've copied and pasted with a strategy that I'm going to reveal and give to you in today's video. Today's video is actually not going to be about ClickBank. We're going to be using digistore24.com, which is my favorite affiliate marketing network website, which is accepted worldwide. As you may know, for a lot of you, ClickBank is not acceptable in your country and therefore you're unable to sign up. But in today's video, I've catered for all of you and I've got a platform that is working for anybody in the world. What you need to do is come over to digistore24.com. If you haven't got an account, come over to register on the top right hand side and you need to fill out your email, password and address, verify your email, and you will land on your dashboard, which will look like this. You will land on a page where you can see every single category of all the various different products that you can go and promote, from dance and music to computer and internet, e-marketing, dating, love and relationships. There is a niche for everybody. I always recommend choose something that you're passionate about or choose something that you enjoy. For example, if you're a chef and you're into making different meals and cooking for people or working at a restaurant, I recommend go and choose fitness and health or food and drinks. If you're a fitness instructor or a big gym enthusiast, you can come over to fitness and health and take a look at all the products that they've got over here. From the ultimate keto meal plan, which is my #1 product that I've promoted on Digistore24 in my lifetime. There's many different other programs such as the keto desserts, which is a program that teaches people how to make healthy desserts. The exact product that I've been using with this strategy is the ultimate keto meals plan. This has an extremely high click-through rate and sale rate with many happy customers, as this is a very high quality product that isn't very expensive. And you'll see when you sign in with your link, you've got your affiliate link over here, which you can go and right click, open in a new tab, and it will take you to the landing page of this product over here. What I recommend you do is copy the affiliate link of your product, and you will see you're going to earn an 85% commission off of this product at a total of $22.29 per sale. Open up a notepad on your document or on your phone, paste your affiliate link over here, as we're going to come back to this later on in this video. Now that we've got our affiliate product, we need to go and generate our content text and contents of our actual content. Come over to a website called openai.com. You will land on a landing page that says ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialogues. So this is a tool where if you go and type any keyword, any question, any request, it will type out an answer, an article, or a step-by-step format for you. As you can read over here, this This is a trained model called ChatGPT which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer up follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests, which is trained to follow an instruction in an impromptu and provide a detailed response. Click on Try ChatGPT over here and it will take you to the live chat. What I recommend you do is go and type best ways to lose weight. Click on send and take a look at this. This entire article is going to type you an entire step-by-step format that you need to apply to yourself in order to lose weight. Now that the context of our video has been created, all you need to do is copy and paste. Highlight all of this text, right click, copy, come over to a website called invideo.io, which is a website that unlocks the power of text to video. All you need to go and do is click on get started for free. As you can see, there's no credit card required. They have a lifetime free plan. Click on get started, it's free. On the left hand side on the menu bar, you will see there's an option that says text to video. Click on this and you can go and choose any one of these templates. I recommend choose something that has to do with health and fitness. For example, I'm going to go and choose this template over here with oranges falling into water. I'm going to click on portrait mode, which is the portrait format required for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. Click on use template. All you need to go and do is paste your entire script in the script side over here. Click on generate scenes. Click on yes. Click on create scenes again, and in a couple of seconds it's going to set up this project and turn this entire article that has been created by ChatGPT into a done for you TikTok. In a few minutes it will generate this entire video for you in a step-by-step process on the best ways to lose weight based on what ChatGPT has now told you. All you need to go and do is click on download on the top right, and this video will download to your PC. Come over to TikTok and go and upload. And all I recommend you do is upload a video at least once a day. All through my experience and years of creating content, I've always find that the algorithms favor those that post consistently. Those that post consistently get virality. That is my number one experience tip I can say from posting content on all of these platforms. Set a schedule, and as soon as 1 or 2 videos takes off, it takes off your entire page, like it's done for my brand new TikTok page. And then all I recommend you do is at the end of each and every video, even in the comment section of your videos, is pin a comment saying link in bio to your custom keto diet program to help you lose weight and pick up muscle. All you need to do is go and copy your affiliate link and go and paste that in the bio of your page. You can replicate the same process on Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts as well to 3 times your views and potentially 3 times your income and traffic. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more, to help you generate content, go viral on TikTok, short video platforms, to blow up your affiliate marketing business, or if you're monetizing your page with anything else, whether it's merchandise, bracelet sales, or whatever it can be. I'm going to give you an entire course purely based on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and blowing up on TikTok. This playlist over here consists of my top 30 best videos that I've posted in 2022 and 2023 so far as well, on how you can blow up on TikTok, how you can grow a brand, and how you can scale your affiliate commissions. What I recommend you do is follow what I've just taught you in this video, use these strategies over here to scale even more. So make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.